Okay, today we're making some garlic, cilantro, thyme, and rosemary crusted lamb chops. Right here I got all my ingredients put out, everything that I'll be using during this video. All my seasonings, keeping it simple, bringing out the flavors with the herbs. That's me, guess I had to put myself on camera. All right, here goes the garlic. We're using a pestle mortar. Yeah, I'm gonna get all that smashed up real good and bring the flavors out of it. Then I'm gonna pull the leaves off of the thyme, get all that situated into my pestle there, and then after that I got my rosemary. Done got that, and pull that off the stem, get it off in there. And then once all that is done, that takes a while. It's a little meticulous, a little messy at times. But then after that, pull it off the stem, get it all in the bowl, rinse off my cilantro. Once that's good and rinsed off, I pull off the bunch that I need, put it in my hand, and put it off in the bowl. Then I used the tool there, the handy tool, and just mash it all together, get it all blended up good and ready. Should have brought me a food processor, made it a whole lot simple, but look, I made a paste out of it. I think I did pretty good. After that, that's when I started washing the meat and get it all cleaned up. And yeah, that takes a couple minutes, get it all situated and cleaned up real good. Can't be using no unclean meat. Have to rinse it off a little bit. So then I take the paste there that I made, and I'll be using some Wagyu beef tallow to cook this in to give it a little more flavor. Take that paste there and I paste it all over the lamb chops. By the way, these are lamb loin chops, so they're not the whole lamb chops. They're a little bit smaller portions. But after I get the paste on there, I get the Wagyu beef tallow and coat the pan with it and get it heated up and brought up to temperature. And once that's done, I season those with a little seasoned salt and a little black pepper. That's the only season I'm used with the thyme, rosemary, garlic, and cilantro. Get them off in the pan and get some color on them. And once they're done, I pull them off and voila, there they go. Then I take a bite and try it out. There you go. Tells it all.